You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of these cheese. If you want to learn more cheese names, I've got them all on this channel. Stay tuned, I'll suggest a few more videos to watch for you. Cheddar cheese is the British English pronunciation. Oh, there's actually a jet airplane passing by. Cheddar cheese. The American English pronunciation is as cheddar cheese. Cheddar, that's how the Americans say it. Cheddar cheese or cheddar cheese. Can you hear that plane? It's crazy. Cheddar. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.